In this video, I'll show you one of the lights, one of the USB lights from IKEA. This is the Jansjo, or that's the product, Jansjo. Okay, so this is a USB light. It's very simple without batteries, so it's pretty compact. It has a gooseneck, so you could use this as a microphone arm extension. You could attach a lavalier microphone to it and use it as a gooseneck microphone in the car. And that's how it looks like. Yeah, this is the case for it. It's €5 here. In Cyprus, that's $4.99. And the information about it, I bought this, and here I was looking at it in the shop. It is 0.3 watts, 5 volts DC. So 0.3 watts, that's a pretty good low power consumption. You can use this as a night light, you can keep it on for overnight. And the best thing is that you have it's USB, so you can put this on any kind of power adapter or even a power bank. You can use this as a light for the keyboard. I was thinking to use this as a light for the speed editor when I edit, so it's a bit of a light on top of it, not too much, but it has this kind of a fringe edge on the light from that lens, that plastic lens. So I'm not sure if it's really good. There is another version of this, the USB-C one, which has a much better quality, but it looks a little bit worse. It's more bulky. This one is very thin. I hope this helps you get an idea of how this thing looks like. Thanks for watching.